Good morning. I'm Mr. Wonderful, and welcome to the Madhouse. That's enough of that. Sorry about that. I had to do it. Right, this is a 1964 British Caribbean Territories 2 cents. And this is an Ian coin. I did make one of these a few days ago, but the video was really, really bad. I was all over the place as usual, and I hadn't been drinking that day. So, yeah, complete mess. So it was unusable. My girlfriend tried to clean it up for an hour, and I said, that's all right, we've got another coin, so here we go. See, I'm talking too much now. Hope everybody's having a great week. Or is it a weekend? I don't know. We'll go over to the gorgeous as ever. Looking rather sexy today. There she is. Big Bertha. This is my 20-ton hydraulic leaking sexy press. Oh yeah, she's leaking bad today. I think she's pleased to see me. Aren't you, darling? Yes, you are. Right. Let's dry that off a bit. It needs a slap on the bottom. Who's a naughty boy then? I suppose I better use my dapping block. What do you think, Ian? Gary? Bear? Right, it needs a bit of a clean up. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Beautiful. Right. Let's show it a bit of love with Bernie the fire starter. I love the smell of burnt hair in the mornings, don't you? If you're new to the channel and you'd like to show me a bit of support, it costs you nothing. There's a little red button, bottom right hand side of this video. Bottom right hand corner, hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Costs you nothing. And it shows me some love. And we all need some more love, don't we? Right, okay, here we have the good old 2-inch dapping block. Everybody loves, even I love it. Right, we're going to go for, it's going to have to be, yeah. This is going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. And our gorgeous dapping block. We need a nice ball bearing. We'll go over to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. It's exciting, isn't it? I can tell you're all on the edge of your seats, especially Gary and Bear. I think that's about it, guys and girls. Yeah. Right, we don't need the dapping block anymore. That's a shame, isn't it? Right, we now need one of these. These are 17-degree folding dies. A bit grubby. Nope, there's a bit there. So, right, there we go. This is a 17-degree folding cone. And we'll continue to do the business on it. There you go, folks. Beautiful colour, isn't it? Coloured my eyes on a Friday morning. Well, I'm just cleaning up the edges, making sure there's no hairline cracks or chasms or gorges or streams or maybe a touch more. I do custom work, so if you're looking for a custom ring, handmade by yours truly, I'll happily make you one. You can send me your own coins. Right, let's get a clean piece of kitchen roll. There's no expense spared on this channel. Right, there we go. This is Spike, my ring stretcher. You don't want to go crazy with this. This is very thin copper coin, and if you go crazy you can split it quite easily as well. Ask me how I know. I don't know. How do you know? Shut it. Come on, tell me, how do you know? What is wrong with you? Well, you said ask me how do you know. I don't know. What's it all about? Right. Still looking good. Very soft though. You're just trying to get that bow out of it. See, that bow is still in there. I've got the window open today, it's quite warm, hence the dogs barking. I think they're looking for Mr. Wonderful. I'm up here, boys. There's a little bit of a bow in it still. Quite a big ring, this one. The kitchen roll just protects the detail on the inside of the ring. That's about as much as we're going to get from that. But other than that, it's not wobbly. It's quite sexy. So, let's go to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. And we're just looking for one. There's a little bit there, I think. Yeah, there's a bit there. Make sure it's square. That looks pretty good straight away. Fits that finger quite well. I think that'll do the job. Oh, wait a minute, there is a little bit of a... It's just a camera lens again. But I look with my beady eye, it's perfect. Right, that's good, yeah. There's a little bit of a lip inside. So I just cut that out. See that lip there? I'm going to take that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. Like that. That's really beautiful. Okie dokie. Let's break out Dave the Dremel. Kate's looking a bit ropey, but there's some left on her. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. Very, just cleans it up. I can make my ring smaller or larger. You can check out my shop. There's a link in the description, yourfingermyring.com. Go there and you can check out my rings. I can adjust them for you up or down. Or you can also send me your own coins and I'll turn them into rings for you. I don't just do rings, I do other stuff. There's bracelets and stuff. There's loads of stuff in the shop. Called a stuff shop. Check it out. These make great gifts for the birthdays, you know. They make a great gift on a Sunday or a Monday. I'm not too sure about Tuesdays, but Wednesdays they make good gifts on a Wednesday. Fridays. Saturdays are good days for gifts as well. Oh yeah, it's coming up nice. Okay. Let's clean off the mingers first, shall we? Try to look a bit professional. That's never going to happen. This is the clown show, so you want somebody a bit more professional. There's loads of channels out there. There's a couple of channels I did watch though to get me interested in this hobby as such. There's this guy in the States called Coin Ring Maker. You could check him out. Tell him I sent you. He was good. I watched loads of his videos. I mean, if you're thinking of starting this game, go and check him out as well. Okay, he's more serious than me, but, you know, everyone's different. But, yeah, I watched him for, you know, a couple of years, thinking, I could do that. And then one day I thought, well, let's do it. Stop talking about it, do it. So if you're watching this Coin Ring Maker, thanks, mate. There you go. That's pretty damn sexy. So this is a British Caribbean Territories 2 cents. And it fits this finger perfectly. So what size we got? There's my Yankee Doodle. You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, same thing, so I think it's part of the coin. This is a big one. This is a size 14. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits that finger good. Fits this finger better though. So thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Hit the like button, hit the buttons, come on, show me some love. And catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.